Hey everyone, it's your boy Doc Williams, and today we're going to be talking about how you can build your very own streaming service. If you're using Tuyuto, if you're using Uscreen, VHX, Vimeo OTT, whatever it is, this is the place where we're going to teach you how to create a profitable streaming business. This is one of the most popular questions I get on this channel, so we're going to dive in right now. If you're interested to know different versions, what platform you should use, I have a whole playlist that will be linked down below, but we're going to get started with Tuyuto. I prefer this platform because it's really easy to use. So we're going to be talking about the basics, how to get started. And as we're doing this, I'm going to have my co-host for the day on as well, as she's going to be designing everything as we're using Tuyuto. And we'll bring her on in just one moment. But if you're not familiar with Tuyuto, it is a platform where you can create video on demands or OTT services for your brand. It's really easy to get started. You can have a video content management system. You can customize it. You can even start building out your audience by live streaming and having live comments and everything like that. And you can monetize a number of different ways. If you're interested in this, make sure you let me know in the comments. Oh, we got a lot of people live right now. Or if you have any other app questions, let me know. And if you're watching this on replay, just say hashtag replay. All right, we're going to have our guests come up and we're going to be starting to build in just 1 second. All right, Sabrina, thanks so much for joining us.
Howdy, howdy, howdy. Hello.
All right. Well, thank you so much for being here and seeing us today. So we're going to be going into the back end and starting to build this app from the ground up. And at the same time, Sabrina is going to be building out the graphics and everything like that. Let me go back to what we were doing with this. Okay. So if you have any questions for us, let us know. But we're going to start building. I'm going to go into the back end to start with Vimeo. Okay. So with Vimeo, sorry, with Tuyuto, there's too many platforms out here. So we're going to start with Tuyuto. Right here, when you come into Tuyuto, in the back, you're going to be able to see everything from the dashboard and start building, okay? This is what we're going to be starting with. By the way, if you want to try it out and you want to use our affiliate, you can definitely do it in the chat. Busy Mom TV, right? TV and Magazine says, is Tuyuto free? That's a great question. You can actually start for free. Yes, you can. Tuyuto has a free plan, so you can try it out for free and then upgrade when it's appropriate for you. $0 it starts. You get 5 hours of storage. You can do 1 hour of streaming, and all of those details are right there. So yeah, you can definitely start for free. And this is a great idea if you're just trying to test out your idea and you want to have your full brand. That's what you can be doing with Tuyuto. The link down below if you want to try it for free. It's an affiliate link. You're just supporting the stream. So thank you very much. Great question. All right. So with the Tuyuto backend, what you get to do is you get to add videos. You can organize it based in different collections. You can customize it. And that's what Sabrina is going to be doing. Oh, by the way, Sabrina, we can hear your keystrokes with your tappity taps. Can you mute?
I'm very sorry. It's a bit loud.
No worries.
Yeah, mechanical keyboard enthusiast. Okay.
Yes. Yeah. You can go to settings and change it out. You can track your members. You can have different promotions, have coupons, payments, analytics. And when you're ready, you can actually scale out and actually have it as a native app if you want that additionally. That's an additional amount, but that's an option as well. So as we go into this, we're going to go into the basics. I was telling Sabrina offline that what we're going to do is look at another property that is on Vimeo that's doing quite well called WeShort. And they stream short films anytime, anywhere. And then
sorry.
Oh, go ahead.
Vimeo or Tuyuto?
Tuyuto. I keep saying Vimeo, don't I? I keep saying that. Thank you, Sabrina. It's keeping me on track today.
I'm just checking.
Yeah, we're talking about Tuyuto.
Tuyuto.
We're going to be building out a page that kind of looks like this. Okay, kind of looking like this. So we're going to look at it, and that's what Sabrina is going to be building, the graphics and everything like that. Junior says, I bought Tuyuto when it was on AppSumo. I've not came up with an idea yet. So this live is great. Hey, Junior, that's why we're here for you right here. You know, it's a great idea to use it. It's a great thing. So thanks for being here. Okay. And that's a good question. I think ours is going to be for teaching people how to make side hustles and how to basically use new technology. So we're debating on a name for this as well. So to be determined. Anyone have good names or suggestions? Let us know. If not, Sabrina's probably going to use ChatGPT to think about our new name for this service. Okay, so we have videos over here. You can manage your different videos. You can upload it, live streaming, video quizzes here. You can organize your videos in different collections or packages depending on how you're going to be selling and things like that. This is where Sabrina is right now. She's building out the guest homepage, and we'll kind of go into the details of that in a few moments. The settings here, you can change out the logos, change out the favicon, and the like here. And you can also use integrations with Zapier. You can add Google Analytics, Google Tag Managers, and the likes to be able to do this. And rewardful as well. So if you want to do affiliate, add tag and pre-roll. So if you're going to be doing something where you're going to have other promos for different projects or videos, you can manage emails by, making sure it's personalized and it's coming from you. We have a custom SMTP and then webhooks as well. So if you're trying to do a little bit more customization or actions, you can do that. Let's see, you can have the members here, promo for the coupons, payments, analytics to see what's going on. All right, so let's get started with that. We're going to start building. And if you have any questions about this platform or anything else you're building, let me know as we start. Sabrina, do you have any questions, or are you just working ahead and starting to build that page out?
Yep, already working on the page.
All right, so let's talk about this real quick. I'm going to go to settings. Oh, and Sabrina, what we'll need is think about a logo. Very basic logo I'm thinking about. Something like that. I'm thinking what kind of logo, maybe I don't know, what speaks to building or hustling, something like that. Either some kind of tool I'm thinking about.
Now is this channel going to be like we're doing movies? Because I was just going to do one that's like it's a movie streaming platform.
I would say we can have the background images like a movie because we're going to be putting content around building. I see it as if we're going to be buying different content from other creators and having it on. It's going to be business centric, but I still think it's going to be like business documentaries and everything like that.
So educational?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Gotcha.
Yeah, you got it. Thanks. Oh, and thank you so much for being here right now.
Hi, Erica. Hello.
Erica, you're wonderful. Thanks so much for being here. Erica's working on a lot of things. Don't forget, promote yourself, Erica. What she does, she's a live streaming producer. She does virtual events. So let people know how they can help you or how you can help them. Okay, let's see about this. I am going to first look at collections. This is first. So let me think about a collection name. I'm going to say how to start a online business. Something like that. And that will serve for all of our new videos to teach them like step-by-step things. Let's see how to start online business. I'll need a cover image for this as well. I'm just making a note of this right now. Sabrina will be building this out and creating the images. If you're doing this solo and you're saying, but Doc, you're doing this live with someone, how would I find different content that looks good? I mean, I probably could do this right now because she's busy. I'd probably just go to Unsplash. I'd probably go to Unsplash and use some of the content there. And just, even if it's not perfect, start there and you can always switch it out for yourself later. So if I go to business, I can have something like this. I like this image. Ooh, something went wrong. Oh, because you see, I forgot that they do that Microsoft 3. Oh, it throws me off. Can I do this again? There we go.
Unsplash is pivoting into like paid stuff also, which kills me.
Throws me off, man.
Yeah.
Okay, so let me grab this picture. I learned about being a stream producer from Doc and Sabrina. I forgot about that. That is great stuff. You're killing it. You're killing it. Okay, let me add this image right quick. Although it says recommendation of that screen size, I'm going to get away with it. Different. And maybe I didn't get away with it. You just make it a little bit bigger. And I'll use this. Can I just download it? I'll just download it for free. And I'll add it. Okay, so I'm downloading it right now. I'm bringing it in. Downloads. JPEG. Then I'm looking for it as we speak. There we go. Okay, that's good. Okay, that's good right there. Choose a category. Education. Edit. No matches. I had to go into the categories and make one. I'm going to do it as a hashtag. Education. Okay, add videos. I'll do that in a second. Privacy hidden. Let's see. Geo blocking. No. Let's create. Okay. Okay, so we just made our first collection. Again, depending on what you want to do, you can create all different types of collections. You can say profiles for businesses. And also, too, if you're looking at how can I make money off of this and I don't know where to start or could this be profitable, remember, you can always showcase other businesses. So if you're creating your own streaming service or your own platform in general, if you're using SuperPass, if you're using anything, think about how you can be giving value for different partners or sponsorships or ones that or different brands that you're showcasing. Think about that, right? So we can have a whole section for showcased, or we could say guest stars or something like that. Busy Moms and TV says, I had a successful streaming channel on 2 networks, but had to close them for a while. Now I want to do it on my own. Love it. Love it. Love it. Love it. This is the place to do it. This is perfect. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Awesome. So you've already got experience and this is going to be perfect for you. Okay. So we could have one. I'm going to do one other profile. I might say what will I say? Sponsors or something like that, or I might say showcased brands or something. Showcase brands. Okay, so that could be a way that we're showing our top sponsors. Our top sponsors. Yeah, I'm just going to say our top sponsors. So there, I'm going to get a different image right here. Ah, you didn't do the back end. I gotcha. I gotcha. This is perfect for you because it's relatively easy to get started as we're doing right here. And that's great for you because then you can own all parts of it or have full control of it. And that's excellent. 16 hand, yep. It's a game changer. It's a game changer, yep. You can be doing this all yourself. You can be doing this all yourself. So I think I'm going to use this image for interviews, showcase base. I'm going to say showcase brand, showcase brands. Debating if I think I'm just going to use this image. I think I'm just going to use this image. Okay, so I downloaded it. Let me use a cover image. Okay, I'm going to go this one. Okay, good stuff. Okay, so now we have that image. Okay, so the categories we're going to say showcase. And again, I can add more of this stuff later on. Privacy, I can decide if it's for registered users, public users, or it could be hidden. I'm probably going to change this one to registered. And I can also have sorting date. So it says, this date is used to sort the content in descending order if you want to prioritize some content over others. Okay, cool. And it says do not show in the category. That's interesting. Okay, so you can really decide on what you're going to be doing right here. I can decide if everyone can see this. I'm going to say create. All right, that over there, create. So now I have two different categories right here. And that's good for now. We can add stuff later. We can add pictures. We can add videos to it and everything like that. So we're using Tuyuto. Some people on, okay, hey, everybody on Twitter as well. Yes, we're on a couple different platforms. So everyone from Twitter, great to see you. What are we using? Yes, we're using something called Tuyuto. The link is down below. It's affiliate link. Just so you know, it supports the stream. But that is what we're using today. Okay, so let's take a look at packages. Okay, so add new package. You can do name, description, and then packages says add one or more collections to create a pack. Oh, that's great. Okay, so if we were trying to sell perhaps see right here, sell package in your area. So if we want to sell something where we don't want to give them access to the entire library, we just want to sell a pack, we can do that as well. So that's great. So just think about different ways you can be doing this, right? Or why you would be doing this. If you're, say for instance, if you're creating a streaming platform for education, you only want one category or one package to sell. For example, like I want to sell just all of my AI videos or my interviews with certain AI founders separately, then the full service, so you don't get access to all 150 or whatever library, you can do that as well. So that's another way that you can be making different streams of income, or just separate if they're not going to be paying monthly. Okay, so category here. This is different categories that we can have. I'm just going to Sabrina, you were going to say something?
Yeah, what's the name of this this concept?
This site, we're still working on that. I've got a couple. Erica wanted automation business. That was one up for grabs. We're going to ask the audience too. Automation business, I'm not sure if it should be called HTT Limited. I'm not sure what we're going to be calling it. I see that face. You don't really like it.
I don't know. I think it's too vague. I'm going to ask my best friend ChatGPT and see what he says.
Yeah.
Okay.
So it's still to be determined. Okay, so we're doing education. Let's just do another. Let's do another image from Unsplash. Again, we can always go back and change a couple of these things. Like this one. Why is it always saying something's broken? Why do I have to do this twice?
ChatGPT suggests learn to earn.
Ooh.
They also suggest EduBiz, which is already hard to say. Online academia.
Ooh.
EduMart. E-learning enterprises. And it also gave me taglines with it too. So you could do learn to earn, turning your knowledge into profit.
That's pretty good. Put that in the chat and see what people think. That's pretty good. I don't even know why I try to think for myself anymore.
You're talking about ChatGPT too, Erica. That's funny. Yeah, ChatGPT just runs my life for me.
You see on the chat section?
Yes.
Okay, put in the chat. See what happens. It's not a bad idea.
Let me see.
Okay, so I'm building this out. What I'm doing is I'm adding categories. Ooh, look, that looks nice. Look at that, Sabrina. What do you think? Yeah, no?
Yeah, no, I like that. It looks really good.
All right, let's see. Let's take a look at showcase. Very good. I think that looks good. Looks good. Okay. Okay, so let's edit and add categories to them. Let's see. Make sure their name isn't taken. I know. By the way, we've done tons of these things where some people have had great ideas, and I always say this. Everyone knows this is live chat. So some people then go and just buy it right off the bat, which is hilarious to me. Yeah, Sabrina, if you've got that many good stuff, you better go to Google and start buying some names. Stop putting everything in the chat like that. We just said this. People are going to start buying
I
names
thought you
right
said
there.
you wanted people to vote on which one
I
they
did
wanted.
not in theory, not to buy the name though. We already talked about this. Who was it? Was it Matt in the live chat? He was saying, and I told him, don't put it in the chat until you bought it.
Well,
And
I'm
someone
sorry.
bought his name and tried
This
to.
this is to inspire people, right?
This is for us to make money as well. You better find that name to buy. Okay, so that's good right there. Okay, so we just finished one page right here. All right. Categories we finished. Oh, I have to do one last thing. Let's edit. I want to see if I could bring in a category. Is that the category over there? No. Education? No matches. So I got to look at where the category is somewhere else. Not the category, I could pull it from here. Not a problem. These things are just one of the things we'll have to learn. Not a big deal. Okay, customize. You're working on the page, right? On the guest page?
Yeah, I'm currently I have a video I'm compiling a video to run in the background of it.
Okay.
Yep. I'm doing the logo right now as well.
Okay. Can you share your screen? What are you using? Are you using Canva or something?
Yes, for the logo?
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. Let's see. Can you share?
Yeah, hang on.
All right.
I'm trying to click the right button. Okay.
All right. Cool. All right. Let me switch you over.
So I'm doing something like this.
That's not bad.
And then I wanted to do like.
You're gonna add another logo? You're gonna add something else?
Yeah, I was thinking about getting rid of that.
Looks like the Wi-Fi.
Yeah, I don't know. What do you think?
I think it might be a little bit too. Well, that's not horrible.
Oh, how about?
I think it's a little bit. Now it looks like we're out of space. Well, that's not bad. There's a lot of stuff going on right there.
Don't like it?
I would rather do the globe where you can see everything than the arrows. That's just me. That's just me. I don't like the 3 lines. All right, keep working on it. I would like the globe that you had before. Yeah, I'm not sure if I like the Wi-Fi. Yeah, I'd rather do something like that.
We just leave it like that?
Yeah, change it like that. Yeah, I'm fine with it. And then we just need a name, and then we'll add it in. Don't forget to keep the right resolutions that you'll have in it.
Yeah.
I think we should do it there to start with. Let the chat decide.
Do you like the orange?
I would do something with blue or green.
Yeah.
You know our normal vibes on Brand Factory OS. I would probably just use the hex code from there.
Okay.
Something like that. Okay, cool. Let's do promotion. It says create coupons. At the moment, you have no collections or paid packages. Okay, so we can't do coupons until we do that. Enable. Enabled gift cards. Okay, cool. So I just need to upload content. Okay, distribution. Why OTT applications? The web platform is your streaming website, accessible only through an internet browser or PC tablet. Over the top, which is OTT, apps allow your customers to instantly stream video to both mobile devices, iOS and Android, and TVs using devices such as Apple TV, Android TV, and Roku. Research has shown that users prefer native OTT applications instead of internet browsers, which is strong consideration for scaling your service. So they're saying try the OTT one. I'll do that later on. Okay.
I also want to mention I can't see your screen. I don't know if you wanted that to be. Yeah.
I should have done that.
No, just make sure.
Okay, thanks. So I was talking about the OTT one over here. Okay, cool. All right, next up, you're working on that. So we'll need a logo for PNG and a favicon right here. It's not a lot of platforms. Yeah, Busy Moms, which platform? Of course, because you can already stream to other ones as well. Which platforms were you thinking about? Yeah, you can do a couple different ones. Yeah, there's tons of different ones you could choose too. Well, also too, you could be streaming it on other platforms if you go to integrations, and then you do a custom SMTP. You could just decide where you want to stream it as well, depending on what you want to do. But always more suggestions. Let us know which ones you would stream on. But yeah, when you have that custom thing, you can decide where you want to go. Where was that other AppSumo deal, chat, that you could go a bunch of other places, all custom. Um, this is not going to be an AppSumo rant, everybody. I'm just looking for a product real quick. Hold on. Was it video? What's it called? Erica, where you at? I know you got it. Where is that? I'm looking in my AppSumo pages real quick. Yeah, it could be all smart. Yeah, it could be smart TVs. Hmm? Where is that thing? Was it VLoud? Was it VLoud? Hold on. Yeah. VLoud, is that how I'm going to say it? Yeah, this one had a chance. This is a sleeper hit that I've been talking about. They yeah, VLoud, create an online TV channel for your brand. It's a good concept. They just have a lot of work left to do with this one. I still have a lot of faith in them. But VLoud, it's the jury's still out with them. I bought a bunch of deals with them back in the day. VLoud could be something later on. Um, it's missing a couple things. It's missing a couple things. I don't think it's as professional as Tuto or Uscreen for sure, but it does have a lot of advantages, especially if you're going to just create your like minimal viable product and you needed something very, very basic. There's a lot of things you could actually queue up, which I really liked. And you can see examples of different ones using it. Um, I know I need to use my affiliate links. Hold on a second. I got to find my affiliate link for VLoud. But that could be something that also works. Where's my VLoud affiliate link? Hold on. Erica always in the chat reminding me. Always reminding me. Affiliate links coming. Oh, look at that. Hold on, we got a guest star here. Janet, thank you so much for being here, huh? Yeah. Look, I got a couple other ones. Yeah. Great to see you, Janet. Thanks for spending your breakfast with us. But yeah, that could work as well. Let's see. Someone's asking me in the chat on Twitter, what am I seeing on AppSumo that I'm thinking about buying to start a business? All right, Chad. I said I wasn't going to do this a lot, but as Sabrina's working on this logo, we're going to do a small detour and talk about this. Okay, so if I'm on AppSumo right now, and the only thing I would really be looking at getting that hasn't been a repeat or something like that in a minute, I'd probably do my shot. This one allows you to basically make mock-ups. If I was already a designer and I'm just going to be working with e-commerce businesses to do mock-ups for them for different physical goods or something like that, I'd probably have this in my tool belt to start selling this to my clients as an upsell. Just saying. They're already doing something with a Shopify or WooCommerce site. I would probably just use this. This is the only one that I really see in the store right now of a product that I would be getting. Really like it. It's really professional. Might do a video breakdown of it later, but that's it. Everything else, I'm not too terribly impressed with what's in the store at the moment. There's some guest stars that have been there before, but If you've been on this channel, you already know we already bought them. But if this is the first time you're here, Relay that isn't bad. I don't know. I'd probably still use Canva. Nicheness is in the store. They've been killing it for a long time. I would still use their stuff as well. Yeah, that's a quick detour. Yeah. Okay. Back to the action. All right, Sabrina, how's everything going on your end?
Good. So I am in the back end of Teuto. I am adding the mockup. I just added the video for the background, like the hero image. It's taking a little while to load because it says it's still preparing the video. So,
all right, that's no problem.
Yep.
Okay, let's you're gonna add the logo in a little bit.
Yep.
All right, I just saw it. I have to go back and change the currency, the payment. Let me change it over. Instead of euros, let's make it dollars. Where was I at? Hold on a second. Yeah, you use relay that. Haven't been impressed. Yeah, this is the thing. I mean, Canva, you can still use the free plan so much. It's so powerful. I'd probably just stick with Canva. Relay that's okay. Canva. Okay, someone's asking me, can you go through your products that I've bought? I mean, that's a lot. All right, I can show you one of my accounts of some of the things that I bought recently, but let's see. All right, what did I get? I got flat icons, and by the ones, sometimes I don't activate them, but I'm still using them. I'm just sometimes I don't mark them. Flat icons. I see some benefits on that. Zero Work Creator app. Still working on some things with it. The jury's out on that. The QR generator. I see that good for local businesses that could use that. Along with the Google Maps widget, if you're trying to help local businesses like build out their Google Maps on their WordPress site, I think that could be useful. Eureka.io, I think, is going to be really powerful if people are trying to make online businesses. UTeach is okay. I'm still using Podia, but it's interesting. Komodo Dex, I had to switch to because my cloud app, I don't care what they say, I keep going on support. Cloud app has been finicky, so I'm not huge with that. Shorty SMS is pretty good, but there are some major limitations that I had to actually switch a client from Shorty SMS. So it's good for beginners, but if you're trying to do like mass SMS marketing for like a Shopify or business, if you want me to talk about it, there's some limitations, but if you want to just do some basic text messaging marketing, you can use it. The problem is the tracking is not great. And it's not a finished product that I can use. SuperPass, I was really impressed by. As you can see, I maxed it out to 5 licenses. I thought that was pretty cool. We're still working on some things with it, but yeah, SuperPass, if you're trying to go for an alternative with Patreon, I would use it. The product of the year 2022, I still think is Heartbeat, so I was using that. Upcoach has some potential. I don't think it's great from what I'm using it for, but for coaches and trying to scale out that business, I think you can do it. How do I say it? Prelo is probably my top 3 of last year. I'm a huge fan of that. I think that's it. If anyone has any other questions about what platforms I'm using, et cetera, let me know in the chat or what I'm using. Also, I think Flutterflow just had a huge update with how they design some things, how you can do mockups. So I'm a huge fan of that as well. So Prelo, if you're not familiar with it, it's a pretty good service. It reminds me of what's that word? Get cyber leads. Cyber leads. Hold on one second. I had to bring this up. Here we go. Prelo reminds me of that. But it was, again, cheaper. But basically, you can curate how you can get different clients, all those kind of things. Yeah, great stuff. Okay. Okay, so back to the design. Let me take a look at the design real quick. Yeah, Janet, if you have any other questions too, we were talking about different things that you're. What did Erica said? Have you considered creating a monthly list of AppSumo deals that you are that are interesting? That's interesting. No, I haven't. Maybe I should. Maybe I should. What are you saying? As a free product or paid? What are you saying, Erica? It's a great idea. Maybe I will. If people want it. I'm not saying we're gonna do it. Okay, so that's pretty good. You just did that one. Okay. Is this supposed to be black and white?
Oh, no, I didn't realize it was. It wasn't even appearing. It's still not appearing on my
Oh,
end.
wait. No. Look at this. It's not black and white. I'm just not scrolling over it.
Oh.
I'm like, oh, you're doing it as like, I thought you were doing it as like a really art, like an art house kind of thing. I was like, oh, that's interesting. Black
They
and
must
white.
have a there must be a setting somewhere because I don't see a setting in that section to change it.
Okay, cool. I like it. You saw how We Short did the
Sign up.
yeah, can you do it like that?
I don't know. Oh yeah, call to action. You can do registration, page registration, content.
Yeah.
Yeah, registration is probably what.
Yeah, just do registration. Okay.
Yeah, here, let me save that, and then if you refresh, you should probably be able to see it.
All right, no worries. Okay, so you're gonna do that. Okay, registration you would do, and then are you gonna do a mock-up like this for us?
Yeah. So here's the cool thing. You can do where it's just an image and it shows you the image, or I think what it is that once you have your Android or Apple Store URL,
Yeah.
I think it does it for you. I'm
interesting.
Wondering because you have the place to put in the URL.
Yeah.
So I'm wondering, yeah. But honestly, that's the thing that I do last because what I'm going to do is build the page and then take like screenshots and use that for the yeah.
Yeah.
And I'm doing the brand section right now.
Okay, cool.
So.
All right. So that's pretty good right there. All right. Maybe I should do curate a list of AppSumo stuff. By the way, too, if anyone knew, sometimes I guest star on AppSumo and I do showcasing what is it, In the Sauce. So that's their membership area. If you think you would like to see me more over there, let AppSumo know. They're always trying to gauge if it's popular or if they want different brands there. So if that's something you want me to guest star over there or do more stuff with AppSumo, let them know because that's a possibility in the future. Hit over if you want to hit up Mitchell at appsumo.com or hit him up on Twitter and let him know that you want to see more of me there and we could do it. Mitchell's over there. I'm going to drop it in the chat. Let me move over there. And that is that. Okay, cool stuff. Yeah, if people like more AppSumo stuff, I'll do more AppSumo stuff. Okay, so you're finishing that up, Sabrina. Let me add some more videos. Did you add a trailer? Oh, you just did that one.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let me add another video, I guess, and then we'll go from there. Videos. Okay, let me find a video real quick. Okay, what is Erica saying? That monthly email of your favorite AppSumo deals or AppSumo deals that you're interested in could be seen as a beginner of the concierge service or partnership deal with the brand. Hey, let Mitchell know. Let Mitchell know, Erica. We're ready. We're ready. But if people want that, I'll do it. Okay, cool. Let's go from there. So you're finishing that up, Sabrina. Okay. And okay, someone's asking me what just happened with Flutter Flow. As you're doing that, we'll do a small detour of that. And again, this is the live show as we're finishing this up as well. So if there's something that you have a major question on, this is the chance. If I miss your hand in the comments, this is great. Okay, so here it is. it's not great that I missed your comment, but this is what live is for. You can ask me any questions live. So Flutterflow just put out a storyboarding version. So it's a really basic one, but if you're looking at it, you can now, the storyboard allows you to visualize design and navigate your entire application. So if you're familiar with something called Sketch used to do this, but you had to then take your entire workflow and bring it into a program like this. Oh, is that? Can you hear that? Can you hear that? Or is it just in my headphones?
No, I heard a weird thing. I don't know what that was.
Yeah, it was their stuff. So right here, you can decide to actually go through all the conditions, how people are going to be going through the app now, and then visually build that out. It is such a great idea. And I've been looking for this because a lot of times people just need to progress through and think about their app before they even start building it. You can be doing this with all the different screens in Flutterflow now, and then go back and really start breaking down the different sections. This is going to be a game changer. This is going to be a game changer. Flutterflow is already doing some great things, so this again is just another thing um, that's coming out. And you can actually start with Flutterflow, I think, for free now. It was free for a long time. Let me check. But if that's what the tweet was about, that's what I was talking about last week. Is Flutterflow free? Let me check. I had a free plan for a minute. Yeah, it's free. Now, depending on the functionality of what you need to do, depends. But look at this. You can start for free and then scale up. But if you are not making money from your app, you don't need it to be a paid one right there, right? So I would really look at starting for free if you want to use Flutterflow. I do not have an affiliate link with them, but I work with them a lot. So just let them know that Doc sent you. But you can start for free, and then you can add more features the way that you need it. But and yes, this is one of the few no-code platforms. If you want to export your code and take it off the platform, you can do it because it's using Flutter, which is a wonderful thing as well. It's one of the only no-code platforms where if you want to leave and keep doing your own thing, you can do it with the platform. Yeah, great stuff. Okay. How's everything shaping up, Sabrina?
Good. So I'm changing the background right now. Changing the page title. I was fighting trying to find a transparent PNG for the logos.
Okay.
And let me see, where do I put in the, let me save this. I'm adding the logo right now. Fake transparent PNGs should be illegal.
Oh, that's terrible.
Yeah. Settings, upload
Okay,
your logo. Got it. Okay.
Right here, I'm changing out some things with the general site. All right, info updated. Did you change out the logo yet or no?
I'm doing it right now.
Okay. Don't forget at the bottom, because I missed this the last time, just click save at the bottom.
Okay.
Because when I change out the currency, I thought it was saved, but you know, my bad.
It's acting really weird with my favicon.
Oh, really?
Maybe it wants to resize it itself.
That's possible.
I don't know though that it's like stretching it.
When you made the favicon itself, hold on.
Yeah, I'm in the back end.
Okay. Did you? And yeah, and don't forget to save. I can't see anything yet. Let's take a look. I'm gonna look at the channel for a second.
Yeah, I hit save a few times.
Maybe I had to just refresh mine.
Do I have to oh, here we go. I have to click reset the default, I think. Try it now.
Okay. Okay, so you see where it is right here? Upload your logo.
Yeah. Yeah.
Still
no, I did that. Yeah, because on my side it looks different.
Okay, it might just take me a second.
Now is the issue though? Oh yeah, and on mine it's reflecting too.
Okay, on the homepage itself. Oh, I see it on the homepage. It might just take some time. Probably because we're both in it editing. Okay.
Yeah.
That's fine.
It's
probably
just getting a little confused.
Yeah, it has a little
Okay.
emotional problems. It's okay. All right, let's take a look again. I think that logo just might need to be a little bit brighter.
Okay.
I like that.
Should
So
it?
you had the login right here. Start now.
Mm-hmm.
Is that what WeChat said? What did they say? Start now. They just used the thing. I'm very
Yeah,
unoriginal.
I just did what was. I just did the default.
That's fine.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. We've got that one. Save. Inactive. I'm going to make this active.
Okay.
General settings. Okay, so we have that. We can edit it with CSS if we want to. We don't have to right now. Okay, let's save it. And I'm going to publish it real quick. Okay, you're making this page version 1 as a public page that your users will see. Are you sure? Confirm. Published. Okay. We've got way too many tabs now. Go back to the dashboard. All right, so I'm coming back. Maybe I'll just make it dark mode. Okay. Customize, browse, video, how to check out. Check out how to edit your homepage. So let me check if I can. We have that customized for guest login, guest homepage, user homepage. I wonder if you can you duplicate the same page over?
Hmm.
Can you duplicate it?
I don't know. Where are you at?
Check out my screen real quick.
Yeah.
And so I went to customize users homepage and then guest homepage. I thought the guest homepage would be the default.
Oh, well, but are you viewing it as if you are an active user? That's the thing. If your preview thinks that you're a user that signed up, it's probably going to show you the user homepage.
Oh, I see what you're saying.
Yeah.
I see what you're saying.
Okay, so I was thinking user and guest.
No, you're right.
Okay, I understand.
Let me just check it real quick. Okay, there we go. Cool.
Yeah, so that's the public facing one.
Okay. And then you're building that out. Not bad.
Mm-hmm.
Not bad at all. Not bad for doing this in under like 40 minutes.
And I have ChatGPT just gave me a description of the platform. So I just plugged that in.
Okay, cool.
All
right, cool. I still think that's pretty good.
I think that's awesome. Here, refresh and scroll down.
Let's go here, refresh. Scroll
Busy
down.
Moms asked, do you like this better than Strim? What is Strim?
Let's see. So I haven't used Strim. I would say this. It's the same way as like any other platform with Tuto or Uscreen or VHX or Odium. I really would go into looking at the exact functionality that I need and checking out if it's a workflow that I like. I haven't used Strim. But before switching, I would probably look at, hey, does it have my functionality that I want? All of those things. Let me bring it up for a second. Create your own, start from today, pricing. First thing that I do is before any platform I check out, I look at their pricing and features, and if the features are something that works for me, in what I want to get out of the platform. So I haven't used it before. When I'm looking at the scheduling, it reminds me of VLOUD, just like looking at it from afar. I'm looking at free broadcast, so embed channel, broadcast on the network. It's free. Broadcast on website or Facebook, no. TV channel, unlimited videos, okay. So then I'm looking at the pricing one, monthly broadcast, okay. instant schedule. This reminds me like VLOUD, just looking at it. 25 channels, blah, blah, blah. Okay. So this reminds me a lot of this strikes me a lot like VLOUD. It could be a possibility. It just depends on, number one, if I'm on their network, how many views am I getting? Am I going for ad revenue? If this is a good thing, it's a potential. Could be a potential one. So that's what I think about right off the bat. The use case and then what I'm going to be doing. Is it better for what I would want long term? I would still use Tuto because I would want the user engagement with adding the video quizzes, the different things with live streaming, and really building out the community on Tuto. That's what some of the things I would be looking for. This could be an option, but this strikes me closer to like VLOUD or something like that. But again, I'd be writing down, is my revenue coming from ads? Am I trying to network with other channels that Strim or VLOUD could potentially help me with? And then my end game, am I trying to bring them into my own platform? Am I trying to do something where it's a competitor to like Patreon or something like that? So that way I can be owning the audience and building my brand that way. I would also look at, I'm not sure how they're like, can I use HTML and CSS? How well does it look? What does their backend look like? But just from the surface, yeah. Great question. Great question. There's tons of platforms, I think I was just talking to the Tuto guys and they were talking about it's more for internal uses, but like Bright Cove, there's tons. Just depends on your use case. Yeah. Great question. All right, Sabrina. Anything else we missed? Anything like that?
No, I think we're good to go. It's really, really easy. Just it's so easy to do this, like even uploading the videos. So
yeah. So, if you have more questions, if you like what you're seeing, make sure that you like and subscribe. If this is something that you want me to talk about more, let me know in the comment section so we can be doing more builds like this or talking about businesses. If you want more AppSumo stuff, let me know in the chat so I can talk to the AppSumo people and see if I can do more things over there. But, this is all about you building your online business, having multiple streams of income. So, I love doing this. If you have any questions, let me know. And again, we are putting out content all the time. So again, like and subscribe. And we really do appreciate everyone watching live. All right, everybody. If you want to see me later or more ideas, we'll talk to you later. All right, everybody. Have a great day. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.